Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Devine and today I'm going to be touching on a question that I've been getting a lot recently. What to do about thinning hair. In order to know what to do about your thinning hair, you need to know what the cause is. And sometimes this can be kind of hard to determine. We have to go through a process of elimination. So there are three main causes for thinning hair. There is nutrition or lack thereof. The second one is medication. And the third is genetics. So the first potential cause, I actually do not see that very often, but it's the easiest and best one to start with, is nutrition. So if your body is lacking certain nutrition, then what happens is your hair is the first thing that it starts ignoring to make sure all your vital organs gets the nutrition that it needs. So this can cause some people to have thinning hair. Best thing you can do is eat a balanced diet, maybe take a vitamin supplement. Biotin is a great supplement for this. Now, if you're not lacking nutrition, taking this vitamin is not going to do anything for you. But eating a balanced diet is important and contributes to a lot of other health factors. So I always recommend starting with that. Eating balanced and taking that vitamin is still good for your overall health, so give it a try, and if it doesn't work, we can look at other factors. The second cause is medication, and chemotherapy is obviously included in this one. Certain medications can cause your hair to thin or even fall out. In some cases, if you're taking a medication for an extended period of time and then you stop, that can also cause your hair to start thinning. If you suspect that one of your medications might be causing your hair to thin, the best thing you can do is talk to your doctor about it. Sometimes the benefits of that medication far outweighs our hair. So definitely talk to your doctor about it and hopefully they can help you out. The third potential cause is genetics. Unfortunately, I see this one a lot, and unfortunately there is absolutely nothing you can do about it. Now, there are a lot of products out there marketing for thinning hair, and sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, all depending on the cause for your thinning hair. Biotin's one I mentioned again, that will help if you're lacking that nutrition. If you're not lacking, it's not going to do anything. It's not going to hurt you, but it's also not going to do anything. Another common item on the market you'll see is shampoos for thinning hair like Nioxin or Bosley. Now, in some cases, these shampoos will help, but most of the time it won't. If it's genetics or medication, it's not going to help you. The way these shampoos work is they do add a little bit of nutrition to the scalp, but they're not going to offer nearly as much as what your diet will. They also offer a little bit of stimulation to the scalp, which helps encourage hair growth. Now, I have seen these shampoos help people, but not very often. For one, you need to continue to use the shampoo for it to continue to work. That can get expensive. The most common instance where I've personally seen these shampoos help people is when it comes to women who are pregnant or have recently been. Is that baby is just sucking all the nutrition out of you. So that shampoo is just that little extra boost you need if the prenatals aren't enough. And that's also much more realistic because, like I said, you have to continue to use these shampoos for them to work. So if you only need to use it for a few months or maybe a year or two while you're going through pregnancy and postpartum, then it's much more realistic. And that cause is usually pretty obvious because you start noticing the hair loss during or right after pregnancy. So just to recap, there's three main causes for why your hair might be thinning. It could be lack of nutrition, a medication, or it could just be genetics. And the best thing to do is eat a healthy, balanced diet, take a vitamin supplement if you feel like you're struggling with that, review any medications with your doctor, and honestly, just try not to worry about it too much. It's a natural part of life. I can't tell you how many customers I've had with thinning or even balding hair. Sometimes you get a little bit of a different haircut, or some people just shave their head and they rock it. But do your best just not to be self-conscious about it. There are so many other things in life that are so much more important. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments. I hope you have a fabulous day.